Hello everybody, this is Bi-Neh with FamilyTravelAfrica, and today we are going to make Akara beans. So you may wonder, what is Akara beans? Akara beans is a nice West African breakfast. Akara beans is commonly eaten in Nigeria, Cameroon, and Ghana. I would like to give a thanks to Yummy Medley for making this recipe. The main ingredient for your Akara beans is black-eyed peas. Usually you would have to soak them to peel off the shells, and that would take a very, very long time, but here they're already done. Or you could buy them from African stores where they're already peeled. These were soaked, so these were not soaked, so these are wet, these are dry. If you want to know the technique how to make your black-eyed peas like this, check out Yummy Medley. For our ingredients, we have the main ingredient, black-eyed peas, and for her recipe, she calls for 1.5 cups, but we have a very big family, so we decided to double it and have 3 cups. So the next ingredient is a half onion, so we have a full onion, and we have 1 teaspoon of salt, and here for 1 bouillon cubes, we have 1 cup of water. We doubled this, and here is a I forgot what it's
Scotch bonnet.
Oh, Scotch bonnet, and we don't want to use this because it's spicy, but I just wanted to show you that if you're following her recipe, here's what a Scotch bonnet is. So our first ingredient is to peel your onion if you haven't.
So that's your first step. You're going to chop up your onion.
Our first step, sorry.
That's fine. So you chop up your onion, and it's going to end up in our blender. Right?
Yes.
Awesome. So you do that. This recipe is pretty cool, Bi-Neh. It's super easy, and it's yummy, especially when you get to deep fry it.
Why do onions make you cry?
I'm not sure. I'm gonna have to come up with an answer for that. And with your Akara beans, it's a pretty good option even for vegetarians, right? Because we don't have any meat products in it.
Yes, she used the Akara beans as a veggie burger.
Oh, that's pretty cool. Yeah, we're gonna leave the link to her site in the comment section once we get to posting the video.
It's good.
That's great.
Or is this another layer?
I like it like that.
Okay. Now let's chop it up. How is gonna chop it up this way?
Sure. Remember, you're blending it, so you don't even have to go finely. You're just trying to get it to a size that is manageable by the blender. Just want to be careful. It looks really good, Bi-Neh.
Oops.
And then you can chop it that way too. It's all going to be nice and smooth once we blend it up. So what's the first thing you're blending? Your onions with what?
Water. Did I say the water?
Yes, you did. A whole cup of it.
And my Akara beans.
So onions, water, and Akara beans. Bi-Neh, we're going to have to answer that question before the end of this video. Why do onions make you cry? Sorry. Might need a break, huh? Let's take one. Welcome back, Bi-Neh. Took care of the eye situation. All right, so what's our next step?
Our next step is to put our water.
That's our cup of water.
And beans.
3 cups of beans. Ay. I think we're going to be filling this whole thing up.
I think the beans smell good.
Yeah, black-eyed beans do smell yummy. Plus, you've got a situation of having the onion there too, so yeah. And so we're going to go ahead and
Grind them.
so you're going to keep that there so you can plug it in. And perfect. And we'll just take this over there. I would get some more water in case you need to add it for blending. Just a little bit. We may not even need it. So Bi-Neh, nice blending there. Let's see what we got.
If I can open it.
You can. There you go. Didn't even need my help. This is nice and smooth and creamy.
Look at all the air bubbles.
Air bubbles. That was perfect. So you want to make sure it's nice, smooth, and creamy, not gritty. And just take your time getting all that out because now we get to add our other ingredients, what we have left.
We have bonville,
Bouillon
cubes,
and salt. All right.
Here is my trick. If for the cubes, you have to grind them because you want it to be smooth and powdery.
So you're gonna stick them back in there.
Yep.
And do a little blending, not adding any water because we still have some residual black-eyed peas. And that was 4 cubes. So we have our bouillon cubes in there, and now is a teaspoon of salt. And we're gonna mix this up and take it to the fryer. So deep frying in vegetable oil. So Bi-Neh, we're here. We have the hot oil. And we're gonna have you just use the, ice cream scoop to drop those in there. So you wanna drop it in one swoop so you don't end up with tiny, tiny balls. Let's try that again.
It's not going on.
What we want. Just put it in different corners of your pan. There you go. Try to get it all in one. And again, no splashes. Good job. We're good. Let me just wait. All right, Bi-Neh, you have some Akara beans in front of you here.
Yes.
And it is always fun when it's tasting time. So, let us know what you think. I hear crunch. Is it still hot?
Oh.
So, super crunchy on the outside and it looks
I like
moist and soft on the inside.
I like the big ones where they have more filling.
More filling? Okay. Well, can you please describe it, Bi-Neh?
It's very crispy on the outside. You can really taste the Akara beans.
The beans, the black-eyed peas?
Yes, the black-eyed peas filling in the middle.
So it's not really a filling, right? Because we didn't put anything
Yeah,
in anything.
But the outside was made of crust. I mean,
Yeah.
crust.
So it's pretty crispy on the outside, soft on the inside. So you can see how someone could use this as a vegan burger, like Yummy Medley suggested. Awesome. Well, this is a really nice, I guess, vegetarian breakfast. Usually with some porridge, it goes pretty well. We could show folks how to make that corn porridge. Yeah, cornmeal porridge.
watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe if you liked it.
Akara beans.
See you next time on Family Travel Africa. Bye-bye. I hope you like my video. Yes, you do. Subscribe. Share it. The main ingredient for your